Hey all, Marty here. I wanted to invite you to our live call every Tuesday, 1 p.m. East, 10 a.m. West in the ACB community.
If you want to listen live, you can tune in on ACB Media 5 or bring your questions live. Check us out in Clubhouse or visit acb.community to get more information about how you can join the Zoom calls. The replays are also shared on your favorite podcast platform. Search for Unmute Presents. This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the BlindShell Classic 2. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show.
Yeah. What's up once again, peoples? This is your man Adrian, aka Driza. Just coming out and doing another quick demo for the Shell Phone Show. Now, in this particular demonstration, I'm going to be showing the flashlight, where exactly it's located, and how we can go about using this particular app. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, what the heck I need this app for? What do I need a flashlight for? Well, it does come in pretty handy if you need a light in a quick pinch real quick. In one scenario, my pops forgot his flashlight one time, and he needed a light to look at something in my water heater closet. So I just broke out the BlindShell Classic 2, turned on the flashlight for him real quick, and he took the phone and he just used the light from that, and it actually gets pretty bright. And also, if you can see a little bit, if you're low vision, it's also handy for that if you need the light, if you're still able to see, be able just to look at something real quick. Either scenario, it's good to have a flashlight on your phone. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. I have the BlindShell in front of me. I'm going to let y'all know the location of it. At the top left of the phone is your actual input for your headphones, where you can plug in a headset. And at the top right of the BlindShell, if you feel with your finger, you'll feel like this smooth rectangular screen. That's your actual flashlight right there. Now, there's a couple of different ways how you can pull up the flashlight. I'm going to pull it up manually real quick. I'm going to go inside the menu. I'm going to press OK. That's the button above the number 1.
Call. 1 of 7.
I'm going to press number 4 to go to Applications.
Applications. 4 of 7.
Press OK.
Internet browser. 1 of 12.
I'm going down bar to Tools.
Tools. 2 of 12.
Press OK on that.
Alarm. 1 of 13.
Then I'm going to go to the 6th setting. I'm just going to press number 6 on the keypad, and that's the flashlight.
Flashlight. 6 of 13.
Okay, there it go right there. Now, the way how this works is, once I press the OK button on this flashlight app, you'll hear the voice say, flashlight on. And then you'll hear like this little clicking sound, which is letting you know that the light is on. I'm about to press OK.
Flashlight on.
You hear it say flashlight on, and now it's clicking, which means the light is on. And you just take your flashlight, hand it to your family member, and they can use your phone to shine whatever they need to look at. Or if you got a little bit of sight, you can use that once again, the angle of the light where you need it to be. So you just press the OK button to stop the light.
Flashlight off.
Flashlight off. I know some people were complaining about, man, does it have to click like that while it's on? But that's only like audible notification letting you know that it's on. Now, there's no way to turn it off unless you just press the OK button. So I'm going to press OK to turn it on.
Flashlight on.
Here, say flashlight on. Press OK again.
Flashlight off.
Flashlight off. But if you want to try to minimize the sound of that clicking, I'm going to press OK to turn on the flashlight. Then I'm going to use my volume buttons on the left side of the phone to adjust the volume of the click. So I'm going to press OK.
Flashlight on.
Flashlight on.
Volume 10.
So the volume's at 10. I'm going to just press the down bar, the volume down bar on the left side of the phone to turn it down.
Volume 9. Volume 8. Volume 7. Volume 6. Volume 5. Volume 4.
So I got the volume on 4 right there. So it's still clicking, so the flashlight's still on, but it's not as loud. So this is like a little workaround. Like, man, that clicking's loud. You just turn it down with the volume buttons. Then you just start the flashlight after that by pressing the OK button.
Flashlight off.
Says flashlight off. Then I can just back out of the flashlight with the back button.
9:24 a.m.
And I'm back on the main screen. So that's the first way of pulling up the flashlight. Another way is you can pull it up in your favorites that you have in there. But you can also use voice dictation. I'm going to do it that way real quick. I'm going to hold down the right button until it beeps. Flashlight.
Opening flashlight.
Open flashlight.
Flashlight on.
And it just opens up clicking and the light is on. And once again, you can press the OK button.
Flashlight off.
It'll say flashlight off. You want to turn it back on, press the OK button.
Flashlight on.
And once again, if you want to adjust the volume, just use your volume buttons on the side of the phone.
Volume 8. 6. Volume 5. 4.
So I'm going to turn this off.
Flashlight off.
Back out of this flashlight with the back button. So that's the flashlight app right there. It's located in the tools folder underneath applications. It's a nice little app to have if somebody needs a light real quick. So y'all check that out when you get a chance. Any questions, just hit me up at Driza17 at att.net. That's Driza17 att.net. Peace.
Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the BlindShell Classic too. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast contents and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.